Hi, my name is Helen Chong from HAYLEN Group, and welcome to 2702 Urbino Ct in San Jose, located in this beautiful communication and health community. And this unit has tons of upgrades, including water softener, water filtration system, and also triple AC zone system. So please come on in and take a look at it yourself. And this unit has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 1,856 square feet. And what I love about this unit is that it has upgraded wood flooring and a granite countertop for the kitchen. And you know what? Each bedroom has its own bathroom and a half bath on the second floor. And as you see up here on the 3rd floor, there's tons of natural lighting and also a beautiful view. And up here, there are 2 bedrooms and also a laundry room. As we walk into this primary bedroom, it has its own bathroom with dual sink and also a shower. And what I love most is that this bedroom has this huge walk-in closet with built-in shelving already. So our team just got this home ready for you, so we cannot wait to see you here. I'll see you soon. Bye.